Welcome to Tech Talk with Etech. I'm Tech Bob, and today's all about gadgets. Let's talk tech. So this is our waterproofing machine. What it does is takes a hydrophobic liquid, converts it into a gas through pressure, and coats the inside of your board. It works through pressure, so you do have to have a very good seal with the device inside of the machine. And then we have the actual liquid, which is the sort of magic to all the operation. This is about $1,000 a bottle, so it's definitely not cheap. This is something that I would say is one of my favorite tools because it's not at a lot of other places. You can't walk into any other shop and say, I want to get my phone waterproof with hydrophobic coating. There's not much that makes me geek out anymore, but hydrophobic coating is one of them. Good to go. Sometimes you get that hydrophobic gas smell. You don't want to breathe that in, because obviously we don't want our lungs waterproof. And that's it. Phone's ready to go. Let's talk screwdrivers, which is a tool you use all the time. I've always been a screwdriver aficionado, I guess. The two screwdrivers I'm going to pull out first are our Tool brand, which are known for durability, and that's Tool as in 2UUL. I have a steel plate right here that we use in our board level repair department, and I can do something like this and then take out a screw without any issues. This is the pentalobe version, and then this is our Phillips version. Same thing, it's still good to go. So if it can withstand that amount of force, it's gonna withstand the amount of force you're gonna use on any screw any day. Another brand I'd like to mention are our iThor line of screwdrivers. This one, it's not necessarily durability, it's the precision tip. So if you have worn down screws, these are the best to get those type of things out. This is what we primarily use to remove screws that are stripped or in a rough shape. But wait, there's more. Now we're going electric. So this right here is our electric screwdriver, which we mainly use and recommend for those repairs where you're taking out a lot of screws on a device. With the press of a button, the screws come out. Definitely makes the process a lot faster, and my hand doesn't hurt right now. Remember, if you want parts, tools, and knowledge, Tech Talk with Etech has you covered. Tech Bob, out.